Amomo, the child we have known along with other children. Let me break it down. Amomo, the first mo means to know, to recognize, and the word mo means together with something. If I say one more, mommy, it means you are known with me. You are known together with me, or you are known to be associated with me. And Amomo is therefore the child we are to know, the child we are to recognize along with other children. We have given birth to this child. You have been joined to us so that you can be known with these other children in the family. So it is an Oriki with which we use to welcome a child as one who has been accepted in its new family. Ọmọ tá a ti bí láti lè mọ̀ mọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó ti wà nínú ẹbí tẹ́lẹ̀. Àmọ̀mọ́ wàá ṣeré.